Welcome to this training video on how to create your first post, your first moment within the Unrulr app on your mobile device and smartphone. I'm excited you're here. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hit this green cross button right at the bottom of your screen, right in the middle. In Unrulr, you're able to choose your multimedia first before you create the writing of your post. You can either pull from your camera, creating a post live, whether it's a video, a series of videos, a photo, or both, or you're able to pull from your device, your iOS or your Android library. I'm going to choose some images of this incredible conference I went to in Sedona, Arizona, that was all about experiential learning. You can choose up to 9 images. Again, they can be a mix of PDFs, photos, video. And I want this photo to be first. I'm going to click this button here and shift it over. I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to choose a COG. In Unrulr, COG stand for concepts, outcomes, goals, and skills. They're what your organization or what your class or group wants to have you tag your posts with, allowing you and the rest of the cohort to be able to track their skill growth or how they live the values of your organization. I have a lot of COGs. I'm a part of a lot of different groups. You might only have 1 or 2 or 3. I'm going to choose one from this awesome school in Colorado. I want my post to represent creativity as well as teamwork. Here is where you kind of humans of New York the experience. You're able to connect the photo and your writing in a really powerful way. I've chosen my sentence. I can add 3 paragraphs, a few words, whatever I want. Hit next. Now I'm choosing what group I want it to go in. Again, I'm a part of a lot of groups, but you might only be a part of one. And I'm able to decide. Maybe I want to keep the post just for myself. Maybe I want to share it with the people in a teacher role in my group, or I want to share it with everyone. And I'm able to preview my post. I post, and there it is. It is posted. I'm able to change every element of this post, from the COGs I chose, the media that I want to add or delete, what group I'm putting it in, who I want to say is a collaborator with me within that post. But here it is. There's a great way to view all of your posts by hitting this icon, the self icon, and seeing all of the posts, a journal, a portfolio of your work. And there's a way to drill down by hitting this search icon right here to see all the groups that you're a part of. You might be a part of 1, you might be a part of 30 or 40 like me.